Cancer, lately it's been feeling like you're standing at the edge of something new, but you're still glancing back at what you've been through, trying to understand why it had to happen that way. You've grown strong, stronger than you even realize, but inside, there's that quiet exhaustion, that ache of, when does it finally get easier? Hey, it's Ira. Welcome back, my loves. This is a collective, timeless message. So whenever this finds you, trust that it's your moment to hear it. You've been fighting silent battles, holding everything together while still showing up for others. But this reading, this one's for you. The universe wants to remind you that your softness was never weakness. It was your proof of strength. Let's look into what's shifting for you, what's healing, and what's next. Because for you, Cancer, the energy ahead feels like restoration after the storm. The first energy that steps forward tonight is the weight you didn't know you carried. This card hits deep. It represents all those emotions you've been storing. The unspoken worries, the promises you made to yourself when things got hard, the quiet responsibility of always being the one who cares. For so long, you felt like you had to keep moving, even when you were running on empty. But this energy says your emotional healing is beginning. Over the next few weeks, you'll start releasing the invisible load you've been carrying. You might find yourself crying out of nowhere, journaling, reconnecting with old feelings, not because you're regressing, but because your spirit is finally detoxing. This release doesn't happen overnight. It's gentle. You'll wake up one morning and realize that the same memories that used to hurt now just exist. No sting, no heaviness, just acceptance. Cancer, this is what peace feels like. It's not dramatic, it's quiet. And that's how you'll know you're finally healing, when silence feels safe again. Next, we have the boundary lesson. You're one of the most giving signs in the zodiac, and that's both your magic and your challenge. You love deeply, you nurture endlessly, but sometimes that means people start expecting you to hold emotional space for them, even when you have none left for yourself. The boundary lesson energy shows up when you're learning the difference between love and overextension. You're realizing that you don't have to explain your no or feel guilty for needing rest. The universe is asking you to honor your capacity. In practical terms, this looks like learning to pause before saying yes, protecting your mornings, prioritizing emotional downtime, and not rushing to fix others' discomfort. You'll notice how your relationships begin to change once you do this. The ones built on genuine care will adapt and deepen. The ones built on convenience will fade. And that's okay. Your empathy is powerful, but it needs direction. Boundaries don't push people away. They filter who's meant to stay. The third card here is the hidden opportunity. Cancer. This one is fascinating. It shows that in the middle of something frustrating or uncertain, a hidden blessing is waiting to reveal itself. It could be a delay, a job situation, or even a connection that didn't go as expected. The universe is redirecting you, not punishing you. You'll soon realize that what felt like rejection was actually divine protection. That person who left, that project that stalled, that door that closed, all of it is leading you somewhere better aligned with your emotional truth. The hidden opportunity card also speaks to an intuitive nudge, a creative spark, a side idea, a chance encounter that could grow into something meaningful. Don't dismiss those little inner whispers. They're not random. This is your intuition recalibrating you toward purpose. And here's the key. Follow curiosity, not pressure. The opportunity will reveal itself in what feels naturally exciting, not forced. Your next energy is the emotional reset. This phase brings calm after months of being emotionally overstretched. You've been in survival mode, reacting, coping, handling, and now life is finally giving you space to breathe. You'll notice yourself craving quiet, stillness, and truth. That's your soul grounding again. You might change routines, declutter your environment, or reconnect with something that soothes your spirit. Music, nature, solitude. This card predicts deeper emotional awareness. You'll start catching yourself before spiraling into old patterns. You'll respond differently because you've evolved. The emotional reset is when your inner peace becomes your new standard. You'll stop chasing calm in others because you found it within yourself. And if you're still watching this far, take a second to like and comment, "I'm ready for my peace era." That's not just engagement, that's your energetic declaration to the universe. The next card appearing here is the mirror effect. Cancer, this one's personal. It means the people and situations showing up now are reflections of how you truly see yourself. If you've been attracting emotionally unavailable people or one-sided opportunities, it's because a part of you was still learning to value your emotional energy. But that's changing, drastically. You're now attracting what feels mutual, grounded, emotionally intelligent. And yes, that might mean letting go of people who can't meet you at that level. This energy also predicts self-awareness, realizing that sometimes you overgive to feel secure. The mirror effect says this time security comes from self-trust, not reassurance. When you start giving from fullness instead of emptiness, your whole reality begins to shift. People treat you better because you've modeled how. Next comes the turning season. This is where everything starts to make sense. The struggles you went through begin revealing their purpose. You'll start connecting the dots between what hurt you and what taught you. This energy often shows up when you're about to enter a new emotional chapter, love, purpose, or location, that requires your healed self to lead. It's not random, it's divine timing. During this phase, pay attention to repeating signs, songs, numbers, dreams. They'll feel oddly specific because they are. The universe is confirming that you're walking in alignment. And practically speaking, this can also indicate a turning point in your finances or career. Something stable begins to grow again, and this time, it's sustainable because you're steady. Before we move on, remember, if you want a complete 2026 forecast, I'm offering in-depth readings, month-by-month guidance on your love life, career path, and emotional evolution for $155. The link's below if you're ready to plan your next year intentionally. Now, let's continue, because your story doesn't stop here. The seventh card is the reconnection. This card speaks about emotional and spiritual reconnection with yourself, your dreams, and perhaps even someone significant. It's not necessarily romantic, it's about reunion energy in all forms. For many Cancers, this could mean a friendship reigniting, a family bond healing, or an old creative passion returning. The difference this time is emotional maturity. You're not repeating cycles. You're approaching them from clarity. It's the energy of "I understand now." You forgive without forgetting, love without losing yourself, and connect without compromise. And through that, your heart finally feels safe again. Safe to hope, safe to give, safe to receive. The final energy here, the rise. Cancer, this is your comeback moment, not the loud, dramatic kind, but the quiet, grounded rise that comes after endurance. You've been through storms, and now you're emerging with depth, wisdom, and unshakable calm. The rise predicts stability, emotional, financial, and spiritual. You're no longer chasing validation, you're embodying self-worth. You'll see progress in tangible ways. Work recognition, emotional fulfillment, peaceful connections. You'll feel unstoppable, not because life is perfect, but because you've learned to move through imperfection with grace. This is the energy of emotional mastery, the calm power that can't be shaken. So if this reading resonates, take a deep pause right now and comment below, "My peace is my power." Because that's your mantra for this next chapter. Like, share, and subscribe, not just for the algorithm, but to let this message ripple to someone else who needs the same reminder. Cancer, you're not the same person you were a year ago. You've evolved through heartbreak, through endings, through learning how to love without losing yourself. And now you're ready to receive from the same depth you've always given. The universe hasn't forgotten you, it's just been preparing you. And now, it's your turn to rise.